Presenting the 2007 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are aluminum wheels, air conditioning, occupant sensing airbag, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear reading lights, passenger airbag sensor, and roof rack, rails only. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.